For this question, we have alpha particle and proton moving at equal speed perpendicular to uniform B field. Okay, we're supposed to find the ratio of the period of revolution for alpha particle to the proton. Before we do that, right, let's understand what is the alpha particle. Alpha particle, right, is simply a helium nucleus, okay, without the electron. So it's a 42He. So this is made up of, right, 2 neutrons and 2 protons. Yeah, we know that neutrons and protons, right, same mass. So this guy, right, the mass we call it 4m. The charge, right, is 2q. Whereas, right, proton is just 11p, or just one proton. Yeah, so it will be m and it will be q. That's number one. Number two, right, we're going to find out how does the magnetic force cause circular motion. So we know FB provides for FC, and we know that BQV equals to mv squared over r. Well, do you need to remember the formula for the radius? You don't need, because this is really easy to do, and I encourage all of you, right, to be very fluent in this. So you'll see that when you make R the subject equals to mv over bq. With this, right, how do you find the period? Actually, I never memorized the formula. I always derive it. It's because it's super fast. Okay, and the more you derive it, right, the clearer it becomes, or you become confident as well. So period, right, is you have a 2 pi r, that's one circumference, the distance, right, divided by the v. So you have 2 pi mv over bq divided by v. So you have, right, 2 pi m over bq. So we see that t is actually proportional to m over q, because the other terms, right, are constants. Okay, so you see, we always want to get to the equation, then the proportion relationship, then the ratio. So this is a standard operation. So once we have this, right, so t of the alpha to t of the proton, okay, term variables which are proportional, they will appear in the same order. So mass alpha over mass proton times charge alpha over charge proton. Denominator flip around. Okay, so you have this as 4 times half equals 2, and A.